S&P 500 climbs on tech rebound, but energy rout limits gains. The S&P 500 climbed Friday, as tech discovered a few reprieve following its brutal sell-off from a day earlier, but a hunch in power stored a lid on the gains. The S&P 500 rose 0.6%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average won 0.3%, or 99 factors, the Nasdaq become up 1.8%. Tech, which is down nearly 30% 12 months thus far, helped the broader marketplace constant amid tentative dip buying in huge tech as Treasury yields preserved to ease off latest highs for the third straight day. Apple, Nasdaq, AAPL, and Meta Platforms, Nasdaq, Meta, up greater than 1% every, led the gains for massive tech. Adobe Systems, Nasdaq, ADBE, meanwhile, cut a few losses to trade down 1% after the software marketplace cut its growth outlook, bringing up a more difficult macroeconomic backdrop consisting of the impact from the Ukraine-Russia struggle. The inventory is probably to remain under pressure, till buyers can benefit comfort that the anticipated declines in F3Q net new virtual media ARR and the running margin are transitional, and EPS growth can return to growing quicker than revenue, Oppenheimer stated in a notice. Consumer discretionary, which has come increasing strain on worries that a weaker economy is possibly to squeeze the patron, additionally racked up profits as investors piled into crushed-down tour and enjoyment names. Carnival Corporation NYSE, CCL, Norwegian Cruise Line NYSE, NCLH, Booking, Nasdaq, BKNG, and Expedia, Nasdaq, EXPE, have been amongst the biggest gainers. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on Friday reiterated the Fed's commitment to fight inflation, and talked up the strength of the customer whilst a stoop in the inventory marketplace has made a dent household earning. Recent signs recommend that non-public constant investment may be moderating, however client spending remains strong, Powell stated. The modern-day financial data, but, persevered to flag constructing inflation pressures. Industrial manufacturing fell brief of economists' expectations in May, but rising usage fees stuck economists' attention. Higher utilization fees correlates with higher inflation, and CU isn't always some distance off the highs reached remaining cycle, Jefferies stated in a Observe. Energy, meanwhile, fell greater than 7% after oil charges plunged on fears approximately weakening call for as recession jitters grow. In other information, Segan, Nasdaq, SGEN, surged 16% on reports the agency has been in talks with Merck for a while regarding a capability sale. The rebound on Wall Street has sparked debate on whether this marks a remedy rally to be able to show short-lived or the makings of a prolonged move higher. Some on Wall Street have counseled the market is close to locating a bottom. Likely greater to move in terms of market undertaking over the short run, but among the metrics we track are last in on degrees that were related to previous bottoms, Janney 1st Viscount Montgomery of Alamainscott stated.